Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to just show a couple of things that I purchased, and mainly skincare and makeup, and then I'm going to review the products in the next few weeks or so. But yeah, so this is just some things I got. And excuse my voice, I think I have like a touch of a cold or something. It's like I don't feel terrible, but it's my nose and throat, the usual. Anyways, so onto the review. The first thing I purchased was the La Roche Posay. It's a double repair face moisturizer, UV 30 or UV broad spectrum SPF 30. This one has ceramide 3 plus niacinamide, and it says prebiotic thermal water. So this one I seen it on TikTok as being like a good moisturizer. I just needed a good, inexpensive moisturizer, daytime moisturizer, and so this was one of the recommendations from a bunch of dermatologists. So I'm like, let me try it out. I tried it. It is really nice. It's really like gives you a nice creamy. I'm wearing it right now. It gives you a creamy, luxurious type of feel, but it's like super lightweight. And I was surprised how the size of it. It's like really big, and I think it's at Ulta it's $22.99, and then you can always use that coupon, the $3.50 off 15 or more. So you can always use it on there to lower, at least get $3 off of it. I purchased this one. It's from Good Molecules. It's caffeine energizing hydrogel eye patches, and it's a 60 count, so it has 30 pair in there. I haven't tried anything from Good Molecules, but this is the first. And I think that it says it's to target areas to firm, energize, hydrate, depuff, and brighten. And with me being sick and everything, I definitely need to depuff my eyes. I like to brighten that area for sure. So it comes in, it feels like kind of heavy. That's good. 30 pairs, 6 patches, formulated to firm, energize, and hydrate tired eyes. You can apply it in the AM or PM. Apply to freshly cleansed but dry skin. Gently press onto skin. Leave for 10 to 15 minutes for a quick energized result. Gently remove, sliding away from treatment area, massaging remaining serum. Okay. Okay, so it's pretty neat. Comes with a little spatula. That's cool. And you open it, and there it is. It's in there. All the patches. I really like that. Close it back. I haven't tried it just yet, but I definitely plan on it. So, okay, so this is a repurchase for me. I already know how it is. It's the e.l.f. Skin Hemp Cannabis Sativa Happy Hydration Face Cream. This one, I love it. It has hemp seed oil and niacinamide. It's for dry, oily, and combination skin. It does have hemp seed oil, niacinamide, vitamin B5, hyaluronic acid. It says a luxurious hemp-derived face cream that moisturizes hydrated skin, or for hydrated skin. And this is one of my favorite moisturizers that I missed, and I was so happy to get it back. I don't think I'm going to purchase any other night cream. This one is it for me. For me, since it's so thick and hydrating, it's a perfect night cream. And I love it. I love the way it smells. It's just when you apply it, like, it is super lightweight. And both the moisturizers are lightweight. I would say this one is, it feels like it's lightweight, but it's a very nice, just cream like this, and then you apply it, and yeah, you can definitely feel like it's like not a completely thick texture, but it's on the richer side, where it's like it feels like it's going to do something to your skin in a good way, and it just leaves a nice sheen. and it's very nice. I believe it does have like just a bunch of good ingredients, and it feels like if your skin is in desperate need of moisture, just even oily skin, like I have oily skin and I wear this. It is amazing, especially just in the nighttime after I applied my serum, like retinol cream or retinol serum, and then I applied this cream. And it's just such a nice feeling whenever you wake up in the morning. It's not too like overly moisturizing. It sinks nicely in the skin, but it's definitely, it feels like a high-end night cream. That's the best way to put it for me. But again, you can use this in the daytime as well, especially with dry skin. I recommend this one. I believe it's around $12, but it's really good. It lasts a while. It's a 1.7 ounce. And these would be a good day and night cream. So I am very glad with these two purchases. Even though I already knew I like this one. There was another one, a Happy Hydration Cream. I have right here the Holy Hydration Face Cream SPF 30. This one has hyaluronic acid and peptide in it. I don't use this one often. I'm not sure why I'm not liking it as much, which is weird because I usually love e.l.f. skincare products. But this one was just a for me, like where I was still on the hunt for a better moisturizer. But the one without SPF, that one is amazing. It's just like a very nice hydrating. I love the smells of them. The smells of e.l.f. cream. This one smells a little bit different, but it still smells like it's part of an e.l.f. line. Next, since we're talking about e.l.f., I got another one of the Halo Glow setting powders. So this is actually really cool. I guess they repackaged it. They must have. And this one is in the shade medium. And let's see here. So yeah, see, because it's pink now, and I like that. I love the packaging. Very like, I mean, the other one was really nice too. It's like the containers are just this nice sleek packaging, but this is just pink now, and it has a little thing on the side saying it's medium. Very nice. You know what? I don't know how much this one was, but I like these powders because I don't know, it's my go-to setting powder because it doesn't give you a complete matte finish. It doesn't cake on the skin. It just gives this like nice poreless glow to your skin. So I definitely will be trying this again. No, I'm not trying it. I mean, I don't think they changed the formula, but I definitely will be using it. So when I run out of the other one, I do have this one. But I also had to get this little powder puff. And it is the Halo Glow Powder Puff. This was $4. So it's like this. So cute. Super cute. Just put your fingers and just put your eyes. Oh, I love it. I love the texture, the feel. So cute. If I got this, I had to get this. It went hand in hand together. That's how they get you. Another thing I got was actually foundation. So I got the Nars Light Reflecting Foundation. This one is a very nice foundation. I always love their packaging, like the packaging, the cardboard packaging, and just the container themselves. Like it's always super nice and sleek, and it definitely looks high end. And so this is what it looks like. It is the Light Reflecting Foundation, and yeah, it tells you the exact shade and everything right there. Put a little bit. Now, one thing is, this is a very running formula. Look at that. Like, it's just very nice and creamy, and just like it's, let me see, just it blends in super nicely. Just leaves a nice glow. Okay. So it evens out the skin tone, leaves a very nice radiant finish. I love it. Okay, and last I got lashes. Now For me, the strips like don't always work for me because they're like really big and my eyes are more smaller. And so I got these the lash extensions. So they're like little like what are they, clusters? Lash clusters. Yeah. So I got those. And so I can just apply a little here and there without making my eyes look smaller. So that's actually, I think, this is a super mini haul. I just want to buy something else. Oh, I did buy some sheet mask as well. Okay. So I got the I'm Coffee sheet mask and the I'm Rice sheet mask. This one is for clear skin, this one's for depuffing. And again, since I'm sick, I just thought this would be really nice to depuff my skin. So yeah, I really like the Tony Moly sheet masks. They're my favorites, as well as the OK ones. If you want me to review any of the products, just let me know. I will be reviewing most of these things. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.